So the objective for this video is to test this. If multiple students can log in at the same time, attempt different quizzes. Sorry, different people attempting the same quiz. So they're already logged in, so I'm going to pick a quiz for them, each of them. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So I'm going to get them all wrong. Just going to whisk through this. Let's finish this one out. Got 0 marks. Let's just minimize this one. So like we just finished one, we got 2 left. The goal here is not to answer them properly. The goal is just to check if we can handle it. As you can see, it has worked. So let's see. The scores are saved in database. There you go, leaderboard. We got 0 over. Attempt can be shown as well. Attempt. Here are 3 attempts: Ole, Edward, and Dom. We did, and it's today. Yep, that's today's date here, 6. That's for proof right there. That's pretty much it. Thank you.